It's plumbing time. Tub spout, bad. No handle, also bad. We're gonna change out this tub spout and put a new handle on. Let's get started. Correct, I'm not wearing my Keens. Looking for a new boot sponsor, or any sponsors for that matter. We're gonna try it with this one first. Jesus. Fucking Hercules came through here. Shit, I spinning off. Bunk. This ain't anatomy class, but for the right price, I can make it happen for you. Let's clean it up. Whoa! Almost died. Almost cut you. Yeah, we gotta take off this cheapo stuff. Gonna put some of my Blue Monster on this. Just gonna go ahead and paint that on there because I'm an artist. Just call me Picasso. Is that the one that cut his ear off? Who cares? I got that new. It's got that new bathtub smell. Time to spin her on. Trying to do this while looking at the camera is impossible. Smooth jaws for the smooth brain. Bueno. That means amazing in French. Time to replace the tub spout. I said that with such confidence too. Time to replace the handle on the tub. I'm just doing this part for the follows. Milwaukee sucks. We gotta put our caulk on this now. Almost killed myself. Milwaukee still sucks. Smear my caulk all over this and hopefully be done. Don't forget to wipe your dribbins. Let's test it out. I got white caulk all over me. It's done.